Introducing Dream Glass Air, the world's first portable AR private theater. Have you thought your phone screen is too small? Dream Glass Air works with any phone to play any content on a 100-inch QHD screen privately. With a unique foldable design, it's compact enough to take on the go. Wherever you are, a stunning fantasy dream world is always within reach. Put on Dream Glass Air. You can watch a movie, catch the game, or switch seamlessly to a phone app. While you're traveling outside, it can turn any seat into first class and make time fly. Back to the office, it can boost your productivity and bring your ideas to life. With Dream Glass Air, you can entertain yourself in complete privacy, totally hands-free. The user-friendly design of it will keep you feeling comfortable even during long viewing sessions. In your spare time, you can also watch your favorite TV shows and enjoy the breeze it brings to you without holding the phone. Multitasking in a futuristic way, you can even cook with the help of augmented reality. And DIY jobs will be easier with hands-free visual help. Gamers get ready to play your favorite games in a completely new way and have a glimpse of the future by wearing the Dream Glass Air. See the world without boundaries and join us in an innovative new world where dreams come true. Back our campaign today and start your journey into the dream world.
As your life goes by, you are surrounded and supported by the people and things around you. Your family, your loved ones, and the things that matter most to you. But what happens when there's no one there to protect and support them? Introducing Presence 360, a device that can confidently and reliably stand in for you when you're not there. Presence 360 is a device that gives new life to your old smartphone, transforming it into a Wi-Fi home security camera with a full 360-degree view of its surroundings. Traditional security cameras let you see only one static view, leaving you blind to what's outside its visual range. Presence 360 allows you to look all around, leaving no blind spots while you check on your home. It's easy to use and only takes minutes to set up. Here's how it works. Download the Presence app on your old smartphone. It works with both iOS and Android phones. Place it between the Presence 360 arms and adjust for a snug fit. Connect it to a power source to keep it charged. Then, from your personal smartphone or tablet, remotely set up your Presence 360 camera, customizing it to your specific needs. You can adjust your vantage point remotely by panning and tilting within the app, or set up to 3 unique points of view. Presence 360 will automatically cycle through those points of view, providing you with a convenient set of automatic view settings. For instance, point the camera towards the front door. Then set it as your viewpoint and name it. You can adjust for how long Presence 360 should hold on to that viewpoint before it moves on to the next one. Add 1 or 2 more points of view, like the kitchen and back door, so you are always aware of those areas in your home. Put your old smartphone back to work and have Presence 360 stand in for you, giving you peace of mind that comes with having a well-protected home. Presence 360. Pre-order yours today.
This is a switch bike. This is a switch bike. No, this is a switch bike. All right, any bike can be a switch bike. You just need a switch kit. It's lightweight, handheld, fits to your handlebars, and boosts your ride with electric power.
It connects easily and is instantly removable.
With Switch, you get a bike and an e-bike all in one.
I'm Oliver. And I'm Dimitro. We invented the switch kit for people that love their bikes. Like our friend, Tom.
Tom loves his bike. I mean, he really loves his bike. A bit too much. But he wishes they spent more time together on the road. So we gave Tom a switch kit. And now, they go everywhere together.
In 2017, our original kit raised over $500,000 on Indiegogo. Since then, we've delivered to over 30 countries, and now over 3,000 people have ridden over 1 million miles on their switch kits.
Now we're back with a new and improved switch kit. Smaller and lighter than ever before. Here's how it works.
As you cycle, the pedal sensor detects your cadence and sends the signal to the power pack. The control system calculates the optimum power required and delivers it to the motor in the front wheel, giving you all the extra power you need.
We build the front motor wheel for you in any size. Just take off the old wheel and fit the new motor wheel. Then, click on the power pack and you're good to go.
Choose between 5 different power levels for complete control.
Go further and faster without breaking a sweat.
250 watts of power will flatten any hills, and a single charge will last for 50 kilometers.
Lightweight, durable. We've tested on the track to last for years on the road.
Since our last campaign, we've not only built a great new product, we've built a great team.
Which means better support for you. We want to live in a world where everyone chooses to cycle. That's why we're back on Indiegogo, offering you the best possible price so that you can be the next to make the switch. So place your order now.
And then, join us for the ride. That was it.
Modius Sleep is a drug-free solution designed to improve your sleep. Using pioneering, non-invasive technology, Modius Sleep actively stimulates the deep parts of the brain with a safe electrical pulse, helping you to fall asleep quicker and stay asleep longer. Extensive research has shown using Modius Sleep for just 30 minutes before bed improves sleep quality, allowing you to wake up revitalized, refreshed, and ready to take on the day.
Hi, my name is Dr. Jason McKeown and I'm the founder and CEO of Modius. It's been 2 years since we launched our original Modius weight loss headset on Indiegogo, and we thank our thousands of backers for their faith in our pioneering work. Together, we've completed more than 500,000 Modius sessions and helped thousands of people reach their health goals, highlighting just how confident you can be in the Modius Sleep technology. Modius Sleep is a breakthrough in sleep science that has the potential to completely transform your life.
I've had problems sleeping for a few years now. I tend to fall asleep very easily, but then I'll wake up in the middle of the night and I just can't get back to sleep.
So I always have had sleep issues, but even when I was a teenager, I was a night owl. That played into then doing shift work where you'd finish at 1 in the morning. That's when your evening would start, so we'd be like maybe 2:30, 3 o'clock before getting to sleep.
The headset's really easy to use. I found that it had a positive impact on my sleep. I definitely recommend Modius Sleep to anybody who's having problems with their sleep. It has really helped me with my sleep pattern and making me feel much more awake and ready for every day.
Well, the main benefits I got out of the Modius Sleep headset was better quality sleep, feeling much more refreshed when I woke up in the morning, feeling like I've had a proper night's sleep. And then that fed through into a better general mood during the day.
Modius Sleep works by sending a safe electrical pulse into the vestibular nerve, influencing the areas of the hypothalamus and brainstem that control circadian rhythm and sleep patterns. Our aim is to help people avoid sedatives and sleeping pills, as they only mask the underlying problem and come with a host of nasty side effects. Unlike other sleep headsets that are limited to reading brainwave activity, Modius Sleep actively stimulates the key sleep neurons in the brain. Our research has shown that only 30 minutes of daily use significantly improves sleep, with the vast majority of users reporting a positive impact on their everyday life. After 7 years of clinical research, we have now fully optimized the Modius technology to specifically help people improve their sleep. Back us today so you can be part of the global sleep revolution and help us bring a safe, drug-free solution to the millions of people who are in need of a great night's sleep.
Thanks for your support!